Antique and vintage schoolhouse lights are a unique and charming aspect of architectural history. These lights were originally used in schools, hence their name, and were designed to provide bright, clear lighting for educational purposes. In this video, we'll delve into the history of schoolhouse lights, explore different styles and materials, and discuss their practical applications in modern design. Schoolhouse lights were first introduced in the late 1800s and were used in schools across America. The unique design of these lights, featuring a white glass globe in brass or nickel accents, was intended to provide a bright, clear light source for students to study and learn. In the early years, schoolhouse lights were often fitted with gas flames, but later versions were electrified. By the early 1900s, schoolhouse lights had become a popular feature in other types of buildings, such as public libraries and government buildings. With the rise of modern lighting design in the mid-20th century, schoolhouse lights fell out of fashion and were replaced by more modern and industrial designs. However, in recent years, schoolhouse lights have experienced a resurgence in popularity as more people appreciate their unique charm and historical significance. Schoolhouse lights come in a variety of styles, ranging from simple and traditional to bold and modern. Here are some of the most common types of schoolhouse lights. Number 1. Traditional schoolhouse lights. Traditional schoolhouse lights feature a white glass globe in brass or nickel accents. These lights are perfect for adding a vintage touch to any space. Number 2. Art Deco schoolhouse lights. Art Deco schoolhouse lights were popular in the 1920s and feature bold, geometric shapes and bright colors. These lights are perfect for adding a touch of Art Deco style to any decor. Number 3. Industrial schoolhouse lights. Industrial schoolhouse lights are a modern take on the traditional schoolhouse light. These lights feature metal accents and a wide range of finishes, making them perfect for modern or industrial design styles. Number 4. Custom schoolhouse lights. Custom schoolhouse lights are a great option for those looking for something truly unique. These lights can be made to order, allowing you to choose the size, shape, and material to suit your specific needs. Schoolhouse lights have practical applications as well as being aesthetically pleasing. Here are some of the most common uses for schoolhouse lights. Number 1. Residential homes. Schoolhouse lights are perfect for adding a vintage touch to residential homes, especially older homes with traditional features such as wainscoting or crown molding. Number 2. Commercial buildings. Schoolhouse lights are also used in commercial buildings, such as restaurants, cafes, and retail stores, to add an element of vintage charm to the space. Number 3. Restoration projects. Restoration projects often involve replacing old, damaged schoolhouse lights with antique or vintage lights to restore the building to its original state. Number 4. Rental properties. Schoolhouse lights are an affordable and easy way to update a rental property and add a touch of vintage style without a major renovation. Antique and vintage schoolhouse lights are a unique and charming addition to any space, adding an element of vintage charm and historical significance to any decor style. From traditional schoolhouse lights to Art Deco designs, industrial styles, and custom lights, schoolhouse lights come in a variety of styles and materials to suit any design preference. Whether used in residential homes, commercial buildings, restoration projects, or rental properties, schoolhouse lights add a touch of vintage charm and practicality to any space. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.